Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jill and I enjoy sharing different beauties, tips, tricks, and more. And as you see, I have my face getting ready to do a little makeover look. And the one I'm going to do today is the Reimagined Red Lip from our new Fall 2022 catalog with Mary Kay. So I'm going to be featuring this look in here. I have a couple of the colors that are going to be a little bit different because I didn't have the other ones in stock at this time, but only a couple that I've changed out. So I will definitely let you know which ones I ended up using. And I'm going to be doing a voiceover for the makeup part because it's just easier to put everything together. So far today I have my concealer, my CC cream, and my translucent powder on just to prime my face. So I'm going to go ahead and get the blush and the eyeshadows and finish up with the lipstick next. So let's get started. Okay, so for the first color is going to be Biscotti, and that is going to be our base color. So I'm going to take this one and I'm going to put it all over my eyelids, being sure to cover the entire area. And this just helps to lighten everything up and give a nice little base for the rest of the colors to all come together. And these are always pretty easy to put on and to blend, especially when you're doing that first initial color. Then I'm going to go in with a golden mauve in the crease. And then just a back and forth motion to help blend that in the crease area. And that just adds a little enhancement to your eye. And then just do the same on the other side. And blend that in really well. And then I just like to go over it again to make sure everything is even the way that I like it to be. So next color that I'm going to be using is Golden Possibilities from our new fall palette. I really like this color. It just adds a little subtle enhancement and highlight. Normally from the book it would be crystalline, but I don't have that in stock right now, so I'm going ahead and using this one. And I'm just putting them in the corners of my eye. You could also accentuate the brow bone area with this color as well. And it just adds a little lightness, shimmer, and shine. So if you can see that. And then next, I'm going to go in with our liquid eyeshadow, and this is going to be in the color Pink Starlight. And this is just to add a little enhancement onto the side of my eyes and let the colors blend in nice and pretty. So I'm applying it with the applicator here. You could also apply it with a brush or with just your fingers. I like to pat it in with my fingers for a little different effect. And you can see that just adds a little extra to the eyes there. Really pulls this color together and makes it really pretty. So I'm going to go ahead and finish up here on the other side. And then once again, just tap it a little bit to blend it all in. And hopefully you can see that shimmer on the camera there and how it all just comes together. Really pretty colors, go with a lot of different things. Next, I'm going to take my deep brown eyeliner. Our eyeliners are great. They have little sharpeners built right into the top. And for this, I'm just going to come in about halfway on the bottom of my eye and just about halfway on the top of the eye. And that gives a little enhancement and helps open up the eye area. You can see the difference there. And then the next product that I'm going to be using is our Panorama Mascara, one of my favorites. Happy that it's back. So then just take a few minutes and go back and forth to add the mascara on your eyes. I'm just going to do a quick coverage here for the sake of putting the look together. And the great thing about mascara is you can even wear it alone without any other eye makeup on, and it still makes a big difference to your eyes. And you can see mine because I have some light lashes. So anytime I add some mascara to it, it helps to enhance my eye area, just to show that I actually do have some lashes there, or they're otherwise pretty light and hard to see. And then once you have this coated to where you want it to be, like I said, you can add more layers to it if you like to darken it. We're going to go ahead and move on to the blush next. And this color that I'm using today is called Darling Pink. The book calls for Shy Blush, but once again, I did not have that one in stock today. So the Darling Pink is a great substitute for it. It is also a beautiful color. And I'm just going to pat this in and then blend it overall to give a nice settled cheek color. And I think this is really pretty with the eyeshadows. It really comes together very nice. And then next, the highlighter that I have on hand is Canary. That was from our summer's colors last year. So I'm going to add a little bit of this on. But the book does call for glazed highlighter if you're going to follow the colors in there. And as you see, this just adds a little sparkle and shine and enhancement as well. And I really like how these colors start to come together. And then now the fun part, I always like doing things with reds. This is our Scarlet Red color. And I'm going to start by using the lipstick, and I'm going to outline my lips first with the pointy part of the lipstick. And then I'm going to go back and fill everything in with that Scarlet Red color. And this is a gorgeous color. It's perfect for a night out. It's perfect just to spiff up any look that you put together. It is an absolutely lovely, lovely red. And if that's not just beautiful by itself as far as the color, I am also going to add a little bit of the iconic red lip gloss, which the book also calls for. And I'm going to add this over top, which is definitely going to give it even more enhancement and more shine. And once again, it creates an absolutely beautiful makeup look. Guys will have to let me know what you think of this look in the comments below. How do you feel about red lipstick? Thank you guys so much for watching today, and there you have it. It is once again, the Reimagined Red Lip, and this is from our new catalog, just to recap. I hope you like this look. I think it comes together really nice. Perfect red lipstick, just dresses up anywhere that you need to go, and it just adds that little extra sparkle and shine. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please click like and subscribe. It really helps me to grow my channel and to bring more videos to you. My goal is to get 1,000 subscribers within the next few weeks, so I'm really looking forward to you all joining me here. And those of you that are new subscribers, once again, thank you so much for being here. I greatly appreciate it. I hope you guys have an absolutely amazing day, and I will be back to bring you more videos soon. Thanks. Bye-bye.